How to deposit a Capital One Bank check at the ATM. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation I'm going to talk about how can you deposit a Capital One Bank check at the ATM. So follow the steps. First of all, you have to prepare the check. Ensure that the check is properly endorsed. Sign in your name on the back and follow any additional requirements. Then after, use the website or the mobile app to find a nearby ATM and insert your debit card. Put your Capital One debit card into the ATM slot and follow the ATM's instructions to enter your PIN. Select deposit, then choose the deposit option on the screen and choose the account type. You have to select the account type for the deposit, example checkings or savings. Put the endorsed check into the deposit slot with the correct orientation. Then after, confirm the deposit amount. Verify the displayed amount that matches the check amount. And you have to complete the transaction by following the prompts to finish the deposit. Take your receipt, which means keep the receipt provided by the ATM. And finally, check your account balance to confirm the successful deposit. Note that the steps may vary by ATM and the updates from the Capital One. Contact the customer service for help if needed. So this is basically on how to deposit a Capital One Bank check at the ATM. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.